Some tips with the DJI NEO, what I've discovered from the previous videos. I'm using a Polar Pro, that was an ND4 polarization lens. Now on the tracking, brilliant image I thought. Still quite hindered by the resolution of course, but the image quality was fantastic. It was the best I've seen it so far. When I was using the controller and obviously the DJI Fly app, I dropped the sharpness to -2. I also, this time round, on the previous ones, put noise reduction on, that was a maximum as well. Now unfortunately, as you've seen from a couple of shots there, it sort of makes it a little bit more distorted, not as good as it will be, so I'm going to take that off and get some more shots shortly, and hopefully that'll be really good image. Richard, wherever he is, he's found me now. Here he is.
Well, I haven't seen you for a while.
Yeah, it must be at least 12 hours. I think well, I would say, in my mind, it's like you spent the night in a ditch, but you didn't really. You spent
it comfort, yeah.
Was it nice bivvy, or you got a tent?
Yeah,
with
bivvy. Bivvy in the summer sunshine. It's a quite warm night, yeah.
It is, I think.
Cozy.
We were just on about this before. The weather's sort of, it was rubbish, and now it's really sort of perked back up again. It's lovely and warm. I was thinking about I might need a bit of a, bit of a windproof on top, just keep my arms warm.
Yeah, this will be coming off all on.
Since I put it on, it's warmed up quite nice actually. But anyway, right, we're going to I've just had my bacon and egg, and
it's my turn now.
It's his turn now. He's just turned up. Back at Market Racing. For anyone who doesn't know where we are, we're in the Lincolnshire Wolds, or just the very start of it. There's the map of it on there and a bit of history of the area, but a lot of my channel viewers will know this this location quite a lot as well. Anyway, right, we'll feed up. You having a good time, Richard? he's got his little action camera in the mouth. He couldn't talk, bless him. Just introduced Richard Lake to Hamilton Hill, and I think I've got a sneaky suspicion he's having a whale of a time and enjoying himself, because he's took his tail fin off. That's his tail fin on the floor down there. Then we can catch that. So first time at Hamilton Hill. What do you reckon, Richard?
Yeah, really good. Really good. I tell you what, this is better than Sherwood Pines. So I'm having loads of fun.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to have to check out the downhill at Sherwood Pines. I've never been. There's like a downhill bit in there, but I've never been there. Done a bit of track plenty of times.
They do look a bit serious. Whenever I turn up on the gravel bike, they all go, "Nah, you'll not make it, mate."
Yeah,
and I'm like,
fair
"Oh,
play
okay.
to you."
I'll stick to the blue like a good boy."
I'm not feeling brave to go down that bit yet.
No, I think confidence. But you are right. Take the tail fin off before you do anything crazy, because you don't want to be you don't want to be damaging anything. Although Richard's got a bit more of a journey today. I don't want him knacking himself out completely, because how many miles you got left to run today?
It's probably 40, I think.
40 more. Are they off-road miles, by the way, or are they
mostly on road?
road?
Yeah, mostly. There's no more tracks.
So it's back home. It's not wild
evacuated.
camping again tonight, I'm guessing.
No, Sunday. So yeah, back to work Monday.
There you go. Day of resting. No, I'm
Made the
pleased.
most of the
I'm
weekend.
pleased you like it, because I think it is a little hidden gem. For me, it's short and sweet. I mean, obviously you've seen my videos here before, but I think that's probably the appealing thing, because you can go up and down it quite quickly, and then just
keep the thrill going.
go again, really,
Keep the
can't you?
adrenaline going, isn't it?
Whereas at Sherwood Pines, it's a bit of a tall order to get all the way around and go, "Oh, do you know what? I'll go again."
It's about 8.5 miles or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
But yeah, this is a lot more of a thrill.
Anyway,
definitely,
don't let me stop you. I know you're
Yeah,
begging to go
I'll
down a
get
few
going
more
again.
times. I'll just don't hurt yourself. Come on, get on. You don't know where you're going, do you?